I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know.
Quick guys, today I am going to share with you guys how you can trade crash 300 index profitably, guys. Right, so I believe after watching this particular video about how to trade crash 300 index, you will be able to start making real cash and you will avoid spikes and crashes on crash. All right, so the same thing that I'm going to share with you guys here, any information or any tactics or strategy and tips that I share with you guys concerning crash 300 index, the same thing applies on boom 300 index. All right, so just know that revise will definitely be the case of boom 300 index. But why I love trading crash 300 index is the fact that crash 300 index is very fast and is very profitable when it comes to trading crash 300 index. I love trading it because of the amount of volatility it needs. All right, so as you can see my chart right now, as you can see my screen right now, what you are seeing right now on my screen is the exact information and the exact strategy that I'm going to share with you guys here today, whereby after watching this video you will be able to start making real cash trading crash 300 index. All right, so I love trading crash 300 index, just as I said earlier on, because it's very volatile and it's very fast. All right, it's very fast. Within a twinkle of an eye you'll be able to make a lot of money if you actually knows where to enter or when to open your position. All right, so you won't be trading blindly if you follow my instructions here on this particular strategy that I'm going to share with you guys. As you can see it here on this interface, on this particular screen as you are seeing it right now, that is the exact thing that I'm going to share with you guys. This particular thing that you are seeing here, this particular strategy that you are seeing here on our indicator window one, guys, is very powerful. All right, it's very powerful. Just be sure to follow my instructions properly. And one more thing that I want to say before I show you the proof of what I'm saying right now. As I'm talking to you, this particular trade is running on my live account. Let's just go to my live account so you see it on your own. Look at this here. Look at how much you can see. $435 dollar. That is what I'm making right now. You can see it is only one single trade. Look at the analysis here. All right, look at everything that you're seeing right now. All right, so I am hoping to take my profit at this zone here. Let me place. This is where I am hoping to take my profit. Sorry about that. That is where I am hoping to exit from this trade. All right, so one thing that you must know is this: if you don't know how to do this is not what you can force yourself to do. You can see how much I'm making already, $482 right now. All right, so let's go back to the analysis so that I will show you what I really want you guys to understand here. All right, so when it comes to analyzing crash 300 index, all right, so what you just need to do is this: in case if you don't know where to place this trend line correctly the way it is right now on my chart, you can see that now on my chart. If you don't know where to place this trend line correctly like this, what you just need to do, probably when you open your chart, what you are going to see should be these our candlesticks. All right, look at it. This is candlesticks. I've changed it to candlesticks. So if you don't really know, most of you are getting confused whenever you see these candlesticks on your chart and you don't really know where to draw your trend line or where to draw even support and resistance. Look at this. I can easily draw support and resistance here because I am seeing it clear. Probably you might not see that because you are still learning. All right, so but being how old I've been in this market, I'll be able, whenever I look at the chart, I will be able to spot where to draw whatever I want to draw. All right, so you can see the place that I placed this resistance line right now was the same place that I showed you guys on my MetaTrader 5, that is where I am going to take my profit. You can see that everything tallies. All right, everything correlates with what I was telling you guys. So now if you you must set stop loss on this, but I don't use stop loss on trading synthetic indices. If you must still set stop loss, this is where you are going to do that here. All right, that is where you are going to set your stop loss. But I don't do that, guys. I don't do that because it's not advisable. All right, okay, this is crash 300 index. It might crash now and it will get to this place, and I will lose this particular the money that I will lose from this zone to this zone will be much. All right, so excuse me. So whatever happens here, all I know is that I have analyzed this particular pair, and this particular time frame that I'm trading, this is 5 minute time frame. All right, so I have analyzed this particular pair on higher time frame, and I realized that whenever I open, or if I open my position at this zone, this is where I open this position, the current position that I showed you guys on my MetaTrader 5. This is where I open the position here. So I come in conclusion that if I open my position on this zone, nothing is going to bring this market down to this place. But I know definitely it might be crashing, all right, but it will not go as far as taking me out of trade. Now when you look at this particular this our indicator window one here, this is what we are following here. All right, so you might be saying, is it every time, or is there no any time that you can show us indicators and all that? Just to let you guys know that every time or whenever I want to trade, I don't normally buy to the fact that I will use, or I must use indicators or strategies to trade. Hence I'm done analyzing my chart on just the way I do analyze my chart, this way, without any indicator, without any tools. I just feel like, okay, let me add this indicator. I've been working on this indicator, or I've been working on these two indicators just to give me a perfect entry point. So that is why when I finish analyzing all these things on the main chart here, I apply this indicator, because I have been analyzing, trying to work on this indicator so that it will suit what I am analyzing here on the main chart. So finally I've gotten this particular breakdown on how you can use this indicator. Look at this here, this strategy, this indicator that you are seeing here on our indicator window one. Whenever this blue line that you are seeing, whenever this blue line is at this junction, look at where it's crossing, guys. Look at where it's crossing. Whenever it's crossing at this either level 20 or at this level 10 or 5, just be sure to open your position. So far this is crossing at this junction here, be sure to open your position here. All right, this is what is giving me more confidence to allow this trade here that I open to run to this zone, because whatever this market is going to do, or whatever this market is going to do, you must respect this blue line, or these lines, they must get to this particular 90 level here. Sorry, this is 90 level and this is a 10 level. So whenever the crossover happens between 10 level and 20 level, all right, between 10 level and 20 level here, just open your position towards buy. If you are on crash 300, all right, open your position towards buy. Once you open your position here, this blue line, as far as it crosses each other at this level 10 or level 20 here, all right, you can set your what is it called, your indicator, this indicator timeline to, probably you set it to 90 and to 80 and 20. You can set it to 90 and 10, just the way I set mine. So any of the two requirements are okay. If you set it at 80 is okay, you set it at 90 is okay. Just 90 10, 80 20. So if the crossover, this particular blue line inside this indicator window one crosses this red line at the level of 10 or 20, you open your position for buy. If you're on crash this way, you open your position for buy. Once you open your position for buy, allow the market to run to this. Probably if you open at 20, allow it to run to 80 level before you close this market, because I am going to show you the back test of this particular strategy. You will understand properly what I'm saying, right? So now this is one of the things that is giving me the confidence to allow this particular position that I opened here to run to this zone before taking that. And before this particular position that I open here we get to this zone, I've made 1,000 plus, or getting to $2,000, right? Because like since this week I've not been able to trade because I've not seen the perfect direction or perfect face of this crash 300. All right, so I've not traded this crash 300 throughout this week, so this is the first time I'm trading it this week. That is why I keep telling you guys, it's not every day or every time that you will be trading. You just have to analyze and see the direction of the market so that you'll be able to know how sure you are before opening any position. Don't just go there and start opening position anyhow, and at the end of the day you will get your account blown and you will come here and say that the strategy is not working. It's working perfectly fine. I will show you the result again. You can see this is 500 and something dollar. Look at what I'm saying here. You see this? Look at it. I am still hoping to take my profit at this zone. All right, so what we are saying is not a child play. All right, what I'm doing here is not a child play. As I'm showing you all these things, you just have to follow my instructions properly. So I am going to this particular two indicators here inside our indicator window. One is giving me that confidence to allow this market to get to this zone, which I showed you guys now on MetaTrader 5. So I am going to take my profit at this zone. So let's back test on this strategy so that you'll be able to understand how this strategy works. Look at it. When this particular blue line that we are talking about crossed each other at this level 90 here, all right, you can see that here clearly. You can see that here. As soon as it crossed each other at this level 90, look at it on the main chart here. You see this here. You see this here. Look at it here. That is it here. You see? So as soon as that happens, what happened? You see the market dropped. Look at it. From this zone here, it dropped back to the same level 10. So had it been you open your position here on you probably you want to catch spikes or you want to catch the crashes of crash, what should have or what would have happened is you open your position at this zone, you allow the market, because already you see this blue line coming down. Make sure to allow this blue line to get to that level 10 before exiting the market. I am not teaching you on how to catch spikes, guys. I am just saying this because if you are trading boom 300 index, this is the exact requirement that you need for you to execute any trade. All right, so if it is boom now, what you're supposed to do now is this. As soon as this gets to this two line crossed each other at the level 90 here, you take your sell. All right, you take your sell. It's very, very short, guys. This is very, very perfect. All right, you take it. You can see that. You can see that for yourself. You can see that. All right, you can see that with our crossbar here. Look at our crossbar. Look at where it crossed each other here. Look at it from where I marked something here. Look at it down here, and look at from this zone here to this zone. Look at it. All right, it's as simple as that. Then whenever you see it at this center like this, at probably the middle of this place, like middle of our indicator window one, cross each other, don't open any position, no matter how promising you think that position or that trade might be. Don't open any position. All right, allow it to go. Where you are going to open your position, I'm going to still show you that. Look at where you are going to open your position here. All right, this is where you are going to open your position. I believe you can see that properly here. Excuse me. Yes, this is where you are supposed to open your position. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. So now this is where you are supposed to as I was saying, this is where you're supposed to open your position here. So once you open your position at this level 10 here, where the two indicators crossed each other at the level 10, all right, look at it here, all right, let's just mark here, all right, look at it here again. This is where you opened your position here. Then when you look at this, you see that the market keeps going up. So if you have opened your position on this level and you stayed on this market, as far as this market is not coming down here, you don't need to close that position. And as far as you spot that these two lines cross each other at the level of 10 here, you must stay in the market, stay there, all right, wait for that market to close, or wait for that market, this line to get to this level 90 before you exit the market. Look at it here, all right, you would have made a lot of money here. So that is how it is. Let me still give you another one more test run before we close the market. Look at another crossover here now. Let me mark it here. Look at another one here. All right, that is where the crossover happened. Look at it here. So when you measure this, look at this. As soon as, if you are trading boom, this is the perfect sniper entry for you to open for sell. From this zone, you look at it, you see where you drop to. Look at it from here. Look at the line. Look at it until it gets to that level 10. I believe you can see what I'm telling you guys. So it's very, very accurate. It's very, very powerful. Just be sure to follow my instructions properly. All right, it's very, very accurate, guys. Follow my instruction properly. We make a lot of money with this strategy. All right, so before I forgot, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, or if this is your first time of watching my video, let me officially introduce myself to you. My name is Olitex from globalfx, and what I do here is, whenever I found any strategy that is working perfectly fine and is very, very accurate, I make sure I share it. I come here and share it with you guys, so that you too will test it out and see how the strategy works. And be sure to try it out on your demo account, guys, before going live. All right. So if you do not understand any part of this video, if you are missing something out of probably what I explained, be sure to ask me questions in the comment section, and I will definitely get back to you, all right, with the answer to your questions. And also, if you want me to mentor you on how to trade crash 300 index, boom and crash, and volatility 75 index, step index, name it, all the synthetic indices, be sure to contact me. I will leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. What you just need to do, that is for interested people, right, for serious minded people, not everyone. I am not referring to everyone, please. All right, so if you are really interested in enrolling in a mentorship program, be sure to contact me in the with the number in the description of this video. All right, so and be sure that you are not going to regret contacting me. All right, so one more thing that I want to let you guys know is this: I am still open for investment, and if you really want to invest, I will also advise you use the same number in the description of this video to contact me, and upon sending me message, be sure to specify investment, and I will send you the breakdown and how we can how you can start off. All right, so that is exactly what you need to do. And also, guys, I am going to share the settings with you guys, and also the links to my book will be in the description of this video as well. Be sure to grab copies of those books, go through it, guys. Most of all these things that I'm teaching you guys, most of all these things that I'm sharing with you guys here, I've detailed most of all those things in the video and in the books. So what you just need to do, grab copies of those books and be sure to go through it, guys. It will help you a lot. All right, it will help you a lot. All right, so that is it. I am going to share the settings with you guys, so that you'll be able to set your screen this way, or you'll be able to set your screen this way, so that you'll be able to start practicing with this strategy before going live. All right, so the first indicator that you are going to do, and I said something before at the beginning of this video: if you do not actually know where or how to place your trend line support and resistance. What you just need to do is for you to come to this place. You can see this place here, you will see candlestick. I can change it to line chart. All right, once I change it this way, I'll be able to spot whatever I really want to, wherever I want to place my trend line. I'll be able to know the exact place that I'm going to place the trend line that will work. And after placing it, you can go back to your line, to your candlestick charts, and take it off from there. All right, so now let me share the settings with you guys so that you will set your screen this way and start killing the markets. All right, trading of crash 300 index is very profitable, guys. Just follow my instruction properly. Follow my instructions properly. All right, it's very advisable you follow my instructions. So the first indicator that you are going to add should be our stochastic oscillator. Just come to these indicators here. All right, once you click on indicators here, just type stochastic. All right, once you type stochastic, look at it here, you will see stochastic, not stochastic RSI, just single stochastic. Click on it once, you close here, you click on this close icon here, you will see it on your chart here. Once you see it there, you come to the settings, you click on it. Now the length, all right, the length should be you will set the length to 21, then smooth K 1, smooth D 3. Then you come to style here, you set you come to this area here, you will see where you can change that. You set this on 90 or 80, any of the two. All right, any of the two works perfectly fine. You set it 90 10, like on my screen now. What you are seeing on my screen is 90 and 10. So you can set 80 and 20, you can set 90 and 10. It depends on you. All right, so now after setting it up, be sure to check this upper limit and the lower limit. All right, you change it to the color of your choice. Just click on this place, you change it to color of your choice, then you click OK. All right, so this is how your chart is going to look like. Then you go back to the same indicators here. You click, once you click on indicators, this is the first thing that this blue line that you are seeing inside our indicator window one. This is the blue line here. It's called accumulative swing index. Just click on it once, as usual, you close it here. You will see it differently on another window. All right, so just right click on the same, or right click inside the indicator, the accumulative swing index. Right click inside it, then if your own pops up above, then right click on it. You will see merge up or merge down. If it pops up, then you merge down. It will sync inside this particular indicator window one here. If it pops down, you click merge up. It will automatically be merged into indicator window one here. All right, so then let me open the settings so you see the settings. There is no much settings here, just leave it at 10. All right, leave the limit move value at 10. You click OK. All right, so that is what you are going to use. And guys, this strategy is very accurate. All right, look at what I'm telling you. Look at this here, look at this here, guys. All right, look at this here. That is the blue line and the red line crossed each other at level 10 here. Look at it here. That is where it crossed. Look at our crossbar. Our crossbar can bear witness here. You see this? Then look at the movement. That is it, guys. It's very profitable, guys. It is not a must that you must leave this market to get to level 90. Once you see that the profit that you have made is okay for you, be sure to take your profit and leave the market. It's as simple as that, especially when you have a small equity, when you have a small account size. Be sure to be taking your profits whenever you see that you are okay with the profit that you have made. All right, so that is how this strategy works. And if you love content like this, guys, and you want to be getting more of it whenever I drop content like this, be sure to subscribe to this channel and also smash that like button, guys. That will also help you to push this content to those people that are also searching on how they can start trading crash 300 index and boom 300 index successfully and profitably. That is the least you can do for them. Just smash the like button on this video so that they will be able to see this video and also learn from it. So that is it, guys. Signing out. Olites. Peace.